Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for our Moroccan chicken, I've got 4 tablespoons of tomato paste in the base of the slow cooker, and then 150 grams, so just a couple of large handfuls, like 5 ounces of dried apricots, then chicken drumsticks, but you could use thighs or thigh fillets, and then we want half a teaspoon of salt over our chicken. And then some spice. So I'm going to use my favorite spice blend, which is equal parts smoked paprika, ground cumin, and ground coriander. So we just want one teaspoon of each, and it just adds a lovely smokiness, but also like that earthiness from the cumin, and then like some freshness from the lemoniness from the coriander. So it's really good with beautiful chicken or fish, or it's actually good with everything, eggs. I love it. Great, and then I'm just going to get the lid on and cook it on low for like 10 hours or on high for 5 or 6 hours. Okay, so when the chicken is looking nice and cooked, then just get the heat up to high, and I'm going to pop some chickpeas in to warm up, or you could put frozen broccoli or green beans, or any veg that you want to steam, and then just lid back on and give it another 5 to 10 minutes. When everything's nice and hot, just serve with some roasted almonds or parsley or some diced feta. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.